Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about the kinetic energy of rolling motion. Kinetic energy of rolling means if we have an object which is rolling down and inclined, then what will be its kinetic energy? Let's consider an incline over here. If the height of this incline is h, m is the mass of the body which is rolling down this inclined plane. What does this mean? Rolling down in inclined means it is undergoing this rotational motion, right? And also it is undergoing this translational motion, due to which it is covering the linear distance on the inclined plane. So this is translation. So total kinetic energy of rolling motion will be the sum of the kinetic energy of translation plus kinetic energy of rotation. So kinetic energy of rolling is equal to kinetic energy of translation plus kinetic energy of rotation. So how to add that? Kinetic energy is written in short over here. Translational kinetic energy is half mv square, simply half mv square. But here this is a rigid body, so we consider that the center of mass is moving. We had considered center of mass as an equivalent point, where if the whole mass of the body is concentrated, it behaves in the same manner as the whole body. So this will be VCm whole square plus half I omega square. We had derived this expression. Now here I can take this half common and m VCm square plus half I, we can write V upon R as omega, because we know that V is equal to R omega, and we are talking about the total motion of the center of mass since the whole rigid body is moving. So we will replace this. We also know that I is equal to mk square, where k is equal to radius of gyration. So the expression becomes half mvcm square plus half, if we are taking small m as mass, so here also we will write small m. I can take half mvcm square common. So this will be 1 plus k square upon r square. So this is kinetic energy of rolling. If I want to find the velocity of the center of mass, I can find that also. I can mark this equation as 1. So this VCM will be kinetic energy upon half m 1 plus k square upon r square. This is one form of the formula. Now also we can convert into another form by law of conservation of energy, that we know that kinetic energy at bottom is equal to potential energy at top. So this is by conservation of energy. So we can say that this is half m so kinetic energy can be written as mgh at the base. So I am putting this value from 3 in 1. So I am marking this as 3. So from 3 in 1. So kinetic energy is written as mgh in this case, because whole of the potential energy gets converted into kinetic energy when the body reaches the bottom point. So this is half mvcm square 1 plus k square upon r square. So therefore, another form of this velocity is VCM square is equal to 2gh upon 1 plus k square upon r square. Therefore, VCM is under root of 2gh upon 1 plus k square upon r square. So this was all about kinetic energy of rotation. If you know the value of radius of gyration for any body, you can calculate the velocity of its center of mass and also the kinetic energy of rolling of that body, right? So that's all for now. Have a nice day.